Hello people, hope you are doing well. Welcome back to my channel. It's me Sue Henry, back again with a new video. So today guys, I'm going to show you how to remove the bad smells or the bad odors from the fridge, and also how to clean inner part of your fridge. Remember to subscribe and give us a thumbs up. The first thing that we'll be using today is the bicarbonate of soda, but some people prefer calling it baking soda. The tinned one and the carton one is the same, only the packaging is different. We will also need vinegar, white vinegar for that matter. It's supposed to be white vinegar. So we will start by preparing our ingredients. I'll put 2 tablespoons of bicarbonate of soda. Bicarbonate of soda is important when cleaning your fridge because it helps in eliminating all the bad smells which may come from yeast and the decomposing food. You should always avoid cleaning your fridge with soap and detergent because it can leave a scent that will be absorbed by the food. Another importance of using bicarbonate of soda when cleaning your fridge, it helps in removing stains from plastic containers. As we all know, our fridge's walls are plastic. So in case they are stained, this will help in removing the stain and keep the fridge sparkling white or the color that the fridge is. Even if you're gone, I will remember you all I know. After putting the 2 tablespoons, I'll then add my vinegar. For me, I use the cup of the vinegar to measure the amount of the vinegar I need. So I'll put 4 cups of this vinegar, white vinegar. The reason why vinegar is important to clean your fridge, it's stronger enough to kill any fungi and bacteria hanging around your fridge. It's also safe food cleaner and also remove grease and grime and any junk when mixed with warm or hot water. Yeah, you can warm the water so that you can be able to remove the junk and the grease and any grime. So after that, I'll add my water so that I can mix the vinegar and the bicarbonate of soda. This is warm water. I had warmed it earlier. There's not much to do when all I can. After putting it in, it doesn't mix so well. So I'll use a spatula or a mwiko to mix the solution so that it can mix well. It's been way too long. If I can lay down beside you. Then after that, I'll start removing everything from the fridge so that it can be cleaned. That's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe. You can see how the fridge looked before. If I can lay down beside so dirty. You should make it a habit to clean your fridge regularly. You can see the dirty patches in the fridge. These are the plates of the fridge. They are dirty. We talk on the phone. And this is why we are using you can see the stain in the fridge. That should come out. So I'll remove all the plates, and then using a cloth and my warm water, I'll start wiping the fridge, inside part of the fridge. I started with my cool compartment area, going down. That's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I can lay down beside you, I would. Even if you're gone, I won't forget you. You're all I know, what I need, and that ain't changing. And even if you're gone, I will remember. You're all I know, what I
down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do.
Then on the door from where it closes, there is a rubber part. Ensure that you clean this rubber part because it harbors some dirt, as you can see inside the rubber. But be gentle because it easily tears. Ensure that you clean it. You can use an earbud, and also you can fold the wiping towel in such a way that it fits that space so that you can clean the space between the two rubber, because it's like two rubber. It's a double rubber, so you can fold like you can see, and then pass the part that you folded between the space between the rubber. You can see the dirt that is coming from the space. So always ensure that you wipe this place, and even from the top to the bottom, it runs from the top of the door to the bottom part of the door. So ensure you clean it. You can see it has two spaces, that first one, the big one, and the small one that is in front. But ensure you are gentle because it easily tears.
Talk on the phone every night. Love to hear your voice.
Then I also wipe my plates with the same water that has vinegar and bicarbonate of soda, but you can also decide to clean with soap and water, but I don't prefer washing with soap and water because it may leave the plates with some odor that may be absorbed by my food.
I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon.
So I clean them with bicarbonate and the mixture of bicarbonate and vinegar and return them in place.
Even if you're gone, I won't forget you. You're all I know, what I need, and that ain't changing.
Removing the stain. We are done with the fridge part and we are now going to the freezer.
If I could lay down beside you, I would.
I started by removing everything from the freezer and then cleaned with the mixture of vinegar and bicarbonate of soda. But there's something I forgot to mention. I had defrosted the fridge a night before. Since I had planned to clean my fridge today, it's always advisable to defrost your fridge some time before cleaning it. And that's it for the freezer, sparkling clean. The fridge also sparkling clean, as you can see. The stains that were on the plates are now gone, and the plates are clean and the walls are white.
There's not much to do when all I can is thinking about.
After I finish cleaning my fridge, I always air dry it like 15 minutes or so because I'm avoiding the bad smell or the damp smell. After that, I'll start arranging back my food into place. Everything back to where it should be. Now I start by the freezer. This is where I place my meat and some of my legumes and ice cream. As you can see, my meat is well arranged. Here I have some meatballs. What were meatballs? Hoy. These are Cafon meatballs. I have minced meat and I have my brown. Then on the lower shelf I have ice cream. As you can see, they have buy one get one free. That's me with offers. Then I have my green peas, and I have my jahe, then my githeri. And that's it for the freezer. That's how well arranged it is. It's easy to pick something from there. To my cool compartment, which is in the fridge. Here is where I place my food residues, because the temperatures here are almost the same with the freezer, so the food will not go bad, it will stay for long. I also have my cheese, my bread cheese. It was buy 10 and get 2 free for the bread breakfast manenos. That's it for the cool compartment. Then on the first shelf, I have my fruits, I have my green peas, I have sweet corn. I rarely put my fruits at the lower part of the fridge where they are supposed to. I love placing them on the first shelf. Then on the second shelf is where I place my milk. Then I have my juice and my drink there. Then on the door I have my yogurt, I have my mayonnaise, I have my mustard, honey, some more juice there, and my fine butter. I also love putting this Kara coconut cream in the fridge, and my eggs. Then on the lower part of the vegetables I have my tomatoes and my carrots and my capsicum. Remember I showed you how to put your carrots and tomatoes in the fridge so that they can stay for long. On the shopping haul there was a trick, putting these things in the paper. Check out for the shopping haul link in the description box below. So I had this capsicum which I bought, the 3 of them at 160, was it 69? Yeah, 69 shillings at Naivas for 3. And also they are cleaned with this cling foil so that they can stay for long. And that's it for today, guys. Until the next video, please remember to subscribe, like, share and comment. Bye.